Alright, so we finally got the headlight turn signal lights. That's how it comes in the package. So it's this foam in the bottom. That's nice. That's how they look like. It's nice, so let's check them out once we install it. And for this, the link is in the description below. And yeah, so let's see how it looks after it's installed. What's up, guys? So we installed the turn signal. They're right there. He has this VHT nightshade on it. Not enough coatings, I guess, so you can see a little bit, but they do look nice. It's not yellow like the standard ones. If you do go far, the turn signal lights in the corner. So I do have the link in the description below, so you can see the headlights are like white and it looks good that way. Honestly, in my opinion, I think this car looks better this way with this lighting and everything. And right now he's installing window visors, so that's in a separate video. I helped him out. And yo, turn on your signal lights or even the hazard lights. Yeah, so it looks good. See? Let me move closer. That's how it is. That's good, bro. Alright, well, stay tuned, and definitely more videos are coming up soon. Thanks for watching. Later.